Carnitas tacos with pickled red onion. Ingredients: How to make it. Step 1. Preheat oven to 250 degrees. Step 2. Heat a large cast iron skillet over medium heat. Add garlic to pan. Cook 8 minutes or until skins are well charred, turning occasionally. Remove cloves from pan, cool 5 minutes, and discard skins. Combine garlic, rind, juice, a seared paste, and 2 teaspoons oil in a mini chopper. Process until smooth. Step 3. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon salt over pork. Brush a seared mixture evenly over pork. Place pork in a medium Dutch oven or oven-proof saucepan, cover and bake at 250 degrees for 6 hours. Remove from oven, and let stand for 30 minutes. Step 4. While pork cooks, place onion in a medium bowl. Combine 1/2 cup water, vinegar, agave, and remaining 3/4 teaspoon salt in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Bring to a boil, stirring until salt dissolves. Pour vinegar mixture over onion, stir. Cover bowl with plastic wrap. Cool to room temperature, rearranging as needed to keep onion submerged. Chill at least 1 hour.